Time now for Wellness Wednesday, sponsored by Mountain State Wellness.
Welcome back. Joining us now are Doctors Lucas and Amy Watterson from Mountain State Wellness. Thanks so much for stopping by, guys.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here again.
Yes.
We love having you guys. And for our viewers at home, remind them a little bit about what Mountain State Wellness is.
Okay, so now Mountain State Wellness is an upper cervical chiropractic practice.
Yes.
We specialize in detecting neck injuries to the very top part of the spine. There's two little tiny bones there. One's called the atlas, the one underneath is called the axis, and they're the most susceptible bones to sustain an injury from a whiplash or concussion or something like that.
Okay.
And they literally can shift. They can shift and get stuck in a position that's several millimeters either to the left or to the right. They can even rotate a little bit. And when that happens, it starts to cause neurological injury to the top of the spinal cord, which is eventually going to begin to develop into discomfort or dysfunction somewhere in the human body.
Wow. The atlas and the axis.
So all of this happens when you just experience any type of spinal injury, basically.
Correct.
All of these things are going on. It's not just my neck